Today's video, we are going to be unboxing and trying on some prescription glasses by the brand FYTOO. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, like I've just said, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on of these prescription glasses. These are by the brand FYTOO. I've already filmed the unboxing and the try on. This video has been a little bit delayed. It should have been out a little while ago, but some of my footage got corrupted, so I'm having to refilm the beginning of the video and the end of the video. But luckily the unboxing and the try on section was fine. That was untouched footage, thank God. But just to be totally clear and transparent, the company FYTOO contacted me and asked if they were to send me some glasses, would I do an unboxing and a trying on my channel? And obviously I jumped at the chance and I was like, hell yeah, send them this way. I can't wait to do it. So yeah, these have been gifted. I have not paid for them. My thoughts are my own. If I don't like something, I will voice my opinion, don't you worry about that. But yeah, I will list everything down below in the information box and the comment box. I will list the name of each glasses tried on with the link and everything for them, so you can just click and it'll take you straight there. And if you want to treat yourself, you certainly can. They have given me a code as well. Again, that will be down there with those links, and it will get you 15% off, which is a great little saving. The prices are so reasonable, guys, to start off with. So it is going to be FYTOO's 2nd anniversary and they are having a sale to celebrate. So on screen is the details of what's going to be in the sale. Looks absolutely fantastic. So the sale starts on the 31st of August. I don't know how long it's going to last for, so make sure to take advantage, get on their website and yeah, shop the sales. Yeah, let's get to it and hop on over to the footage that I have pre-filmed and we can take a look at what glasses I've chosen and what my thoughts are on them. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So let's get down to doing the unboxing, and the thing I'm really excited for, the try on of these glasses. There are 5 pairs of glasses in here. Let's get into the box. So we'll just turn this around. I had a sneak peek. I couldn't wait. I had to get in here. I just had to. I haven't tried anything on, but yeah, I couldn't resist. So opening this up, the box is full, absolutely full. So we get this funny little thing here, and this is a PD ruler. So you just pop it on like that and it measures your pupil distance. I actually used an app. Can't remember the name of the app, but I will list that down below in the information box as well if that is something you're interested in. In the app it did give me 3 different readings. I tried it 3 times. I just did an overall average and went with that to be honest. But yeah, we get one of those. We get a little pouch here, and in the pouch, just open this up, we get we get a little screwdriver. So a little tiny screwdriver for the little tiny screws that you do get in the glasses. Is that a different? Oh, okay, there's 2 here. Ah, okay, yeah, cool. That's really handy, and it comes on a key ring as well. And we get a little glasses cleaner in there as well. Then we get a little leaflet. What does it say here? Okay, yeah, it just says FYTOO. Better glasses, clearer world, with the website and then just some information on there. Then we get a little card there, and it has a discount code on there for your next purchase, which is very handy indeed. Then we have the glasses. Let's just grab a handful there. So this is what it looks like. It comes in the little pouches. It does not come in the hard cases, just to pre-warn you there. On their website they do have an option where they have a few options for cases if you want to buy the hard cases. And also in the box we get the receipt for them as well. let's get down to it and start trying on the glasses. So I'm just going to pick a pair randomly. I have segregated one pair of glasses, which is my Wildcard. I'll leave them till last and I'll tell you why they're my Wildcard. I'm not very adventurous when it comes to glasses, if I'm honest. But yeah, just going to put my hand in, pick a pair, and we're going to start off with these ones. So the first pair, oh yeah, these are the clear ones that I chose. So yeah, it comes in the pouch and then it comes in a little Ziploc baggie as well. Oh, I love the shape of those. Really love the shape of them. So let's open them up. Okay, so yeah, it comes with the protective sealing. So are we going to get a satisfying noise? Not bad. So yeah, this is what they're like. So not only are all of these glasses my prescription, they also have the blue light protection on them as well. But yeah, let's pop them on. Oh, they're really light actually. Ooh. Ooh, I really like those. What do you think? Sorry, my skin is so shiny. I've got lights at either side of me, so because I didn't want to get any glare in the glasses. And yeah, I am on the shiny side, so I do apologise about that. But yeah, I love the size of these glasses. The width of them is really nice. And I really do like the clear frames there. I am very particular. I like things to match, so if I'm wearing an outfit I have to have accessories that match, and these will go with anything. They are actually a very nice fit around the ear. They are so comfortable and you can really feel the quality on them as well. I mean, obviously yes, they are plastic, but they are sturdy, really sturdy. Oh, thumbs up with these pair. Oh, I've just noticed as well, I was just about to put my glasses back in here. You get a little glasses cleaner in the bag as well. So wow, I suppose you get one of these in every one, and you've got another spare one too. So you are covered on little glass cleaners. So the second pair I've got, let's just go with this one. Oh, these are very similar to the other ones. Oh, that wasn't as satisfying. But yeah, these, pop these on. Oh, those are different. Those feel different on my head. And yeah, these are slightly smaller. They're a little bit more narrow. Just the size of them are different. But yeah, this is a nice grey pair. I like it how it's not a block colour. It's a transparent grey. I really like that. It's not as harsh on my face. Again, I really like the shape of them. They are extra, I don't know if you can see. Oh, my hair. They are extra comfy on the ear. Can't get over how light and nice they actually feel. You can feel the quality in them. And the prices of these are very reasonable indeed. They are so good. Again, what do you think of these ones? We will try this pair. Oh yeah. So this one is definitely different to the first two. These are not plastic. These have like a metal frame. But the reason I chose these, I really liked the size of the actual lenses. And I liked how thin the metal was around them too. So let's just take that off. Yeah, I really like that. And I like how these, can you see they've got given them, they do bend, which means that if you accidentally bend them, they're not just going to go snap straight away. So yeah, I do like that. Again, I mean, you can feel how thin the metal is, but that's supposed to be like that. You can still feel the quality in the hinges, so you know that the arm isn't just going to come flying off. Oh, let's get these on. Ooh, I've never quite gone for glasses this big before. These kind of, the shape of them kind of remind me of, oh my god, is it Coronation Street back in the day? Deidre glasses, if anybody knows what I mean. But these are with, as I say, the metal frame. They are not plastic. I love the size of them, and I love, love, love how thin the metal is. It doesn't look big and obnoxious on the face. It's quite little and dainty. Oh, I actually love those. They are so, so nice. What do you think of the shape of those ones? The fourth pair, oh yeah. So I have never had a pair like this before. So these are like a half frame. So we have plastic around the top half, and there is, I mean, there is a frame under here too, but it's not as noticeable. Oh, that sound is so satisfying. But yeah, look at them. I didn't know whether to get these or not. I thought, are they going to suit me? Because I've never had anything like this before. But yeah. Again, guys, they can really feel the quality in these, and they just weren't expensive. They are a really nice looking glass. Normally when I get glasses, I don't like getting ones that have got like the metal bits here where the arms connect. I don't know why, it's always been a pet hate. But I didn't mind with these ones because you've got the metal here and then you've got the metal going around. But yeah, let's just get them on. Oh, I think it's going to take me a while to get used to these. I think I like them. I think with these glasses, because it's got the black bits here, I think this will be a pair that I'll wear with my hair up. I don't know why, I just feel like these are hair up glasses. I know that sounds so stupid, but yeah, I think these are definitely going to be hair up glasses. I like them. I think I do like them, but with hair up, with hair down, because I've got like the heaviness of my hair down and then the black bits there. Yeah, does that make sense to anybody? I think it does to me. Yeah. I don't get how they're so comfortable, because normally when you're at the opticians, they bend them at the place for you, so they obviously fit you nicely. And these fit me nicely. That's so bizarre. But hey ho, they do. Oh, I really like, that's, as I say, it's something that I would not normally go for, and I'm so glad I've gone for them. It's just something totally different for me. The fifth and final pair, as I say, these are my wild card, and the reason that they're my wild card is because they are colourful and a different shape to what I'm used to. So let's just first of all get them out of here. So I don't know if you can see, it's like purple and blue, and then you've got the shape there. Can you see? Oh, it's so pretty. Let's take this off. So yeah, that shape, I've never had a shaped glass like that before. And then the colour is on the arms as well, so we've got purple and it fades into blue. You see that? These are nice and light as well. Let's just pop them on and see what they look like. I don't know if I'm going to suit these. I don't know. I like them. I really like them. I don't know if I like these on me. I think these might be a bit small. I think I suit like the wider glasses. These ones that might be a bit too narrow. Does it squish my face in? Are these up hair glasses? I think they actually are up hair glasses. However, that some of my glasses, I don't care what my hair looks like, and there's two pairs of these glasses where I personally think that hair up makes them look much better. Yeah, the colours on them, as I say, definitely my wild card, but the colours on them are kind of like mild. It's not in your face. I think that's gonna look cute with my hair up. Put like a pinky purple little tint, lip oil tint on. I think that'll look really, really cute. Yeah, I do not like these glasses with my hair down. I really, really don't. Definitely, definitely hair up. And again, they are so comfortable. Can you see there? They fit like an absolute freaking dream. What do you think? Right, so that was my 5 pairs of prescription glasses. I actually honestly love all of them. Well, 2 of them, you know which 2, the last 2. For me, I love them with my hair up. With my hair down, I don't like them so much, but with my hair up, freaking love them. The other 3, I can wear them with my hair up, I can wear them with my hair down. Yeah, love them. All of them feel absolute fabulous quality. Yeah, I'm very pleasantly surprised, because if you go on their website, you will see how reasonably priced these are. And I don't know what it was. When they came, I was expecting them to be okay for the price. But guys, these are fabulous for the price. Really, really fabulous for the price. I am over the absolute moon. Which pair of glasses did you like best that I tried on? Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, if you do decide that you want to treat yourself to any of their glasses that they have on their website, and guys, they have many, many frames to choose from. It's crazy. Like, the choice is too much. Yeah, use my code, it'll get you 15% off. Don't forget the sale that's on as well on the 31st of August for their 2-year anniversary. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.